Hello, and welcome to this demonstration. We're starting here on the user's profile page, where you can manage things like your display name and password. But today, I want to show you how we track and manage AI-generated books. Let's head over to the Book Generation Jobs page. The system is now loading our job history. And here we are. This dashboard gives us a complete overview of all the books we've generated. We can easily see the book title, the generation status, which are all completed here, the progress in terms of chapters written, and a set of actions for each entry. Below the completed jobs, you'll notice an active jobs section. This is where you would see any books that are currently in the process of being written by the AI, making it easy to track work in progress. Now, let's dive into one of these books to see the details. I'll click View Book on From Bag to Bounty, Growing Potatoes. This takes us to the book's main page. Here, you get a summary of the project settings, like the target word count, the AI model used, and its final status. If we scroll down, we can see a full list of all the chapters that were generated for the book, each with its own word count and options to regenerate or edit. And once everything is perfect, you can download the entire book right from here. Okay, let's go back to our jobs list. Now, let's say you want to clean up this list, but not delete the actual book. We can click the delete icon here. Notice the confirmation pop-up. It very clearly states that this will only delete the job record from this list, not the book itself. This is a great safety feature to prevent you from accidentally losing your work. I don't actually want to remove it, so I'll just click cancel. And that brings us right back to the full list. Thank you for watching.